My dear students, welcome back to my YouTube English channel, English with Malik Sir. In the previous segments of Verb series, we have very vividly discussed about the significance or the importance of modal auxiliary verbs at the time of our speaking and writing communication. Modal auxiliary verbs are versatile verbs. It means they modify the main verbs in expressing multiple actions. Therefore, they play very important role in our spoken and written English. Therefore, I advise you to go through my videos from the beginning to the end and enjoy every point in connection with the rules of grammar and side by side. A number of examples I have given and the way I have explained. Okay, then only if you like, then you can like it, share it among the English lovers. It means the persons, those who are taking interest in learning English. Okay, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, subscribe it. This verb series is meant for not only the beginners but also the secondary, higher secondary, side by side, even the advanced level of students along with the professionals. Okay, this is very important video for shaping your career in English. Okay, unit 23, and the topic of our discussion today is how to use used to. Used to generally appears in different ways in speaking and writing communication. Then how and in which way it should be properly used? Let's see. Yes, point 1, past habits. Okay, we have two types of habits. One is the past habit, another is the present habit. What we used to do in past, that is what we call past habit, and what we do at present in a regular basis, that is what we call present habit. What do you mean by past habits? Actions that regularly happen. This is important. Remember, in the past, okay, but no longer occur at present. It indicates that the actions which were continuing for a longer period regularly in past, but such type of habit is not continuing at present. In examples, I used to go to the park, where infinitive or infinitive without to is used to after used to. That's why I go to the park with my parents every Sunday when I was a child. Here the speaker expresses his past habit, that whenever he was a child he used to go to the park with his parents every Sunday. Okay, but such type of habit is not continuing at present. Come to the next example. He used to play football in his school days. Means he was very much habituated in playing football in his school days, but he doesn't play anymore. It means such type of past habit has been discontinued, or he doesn't play football any longer anymore. Another example, she didn't used to eat meat in her childhood, but now she does. This is the negative form of used to. She was not habituated in eating meat in her childhood, but now she does. It means now she eats meat. If we use used to in question sentence, then how? Listen here. How did you used to go to school? It means how and in which manner you you used to go to school. So this is the idea about the past point in connection with the past habit. Okay. Come to the second point. Past state or existence of something. It means used to can be used to indicate past state or existence of anything. How? Let's see in examples. Land used to be a free gift of God in ancient time. Yes, this is true because in the ancient time people cultivated land according to their choice. It means they were free to cultivate any land according to their choice, and there was no one to restrict or prohibit them because land was a free gift of God. Many years ago, there used to be a big library in the heart of the city. It indicates that there was the existence of a big library in the heart of the city many years ago. But unfortunately, there is no library in the heart of the city at present. Therefore, used to can be used to indicate the state, condition or existence of anything in the past. Okay, this is the idea. Come to point 3. Be used to. This is another way how we can use used to. When used is an adjective and to is a preposition, it expresses present state or condition. Okay, where someone is accustomed to or familiar with something. In this case, be means is or am or are used to. Okay, generally ing verb form or noun without using bare infinitive, we use ing verb form, okay, or noun after be used to. Now see in example, I'm not used to. It means accustomed to or habituated working so hard. I am not used to. This is a negative sentence and am is the be verb form, present form. Here the speaker indicates that he is not accustomed or habituated working. Here ing verb form, working so hard. She is used to. Be verb is working here. ing verb form early in the morning. Yes, it means she is habituated or accustomed to working early in the morning. In question sentence, are they used to the noise of the WhatsApp? Are here be verb. Are they used to the noise? The noise is the noun phrase of the WhatsApp. It means are they habituated or accustomed to the noise of the WhatsApp? This is the idea how we can use be means is, am, are. Used to means habituated or accustomed to. Yes, doing any work. See the fourth point, get used to. Whenever we use get used to, then we have to take the subject plus get or gets or got. Get gets present tense and got past tense, then used to, then ing verb form. Or noun is used to express the process of adapting. How? Don't worry, you will get used to new system very soon. Naturally, whenever we take interest in learning any new system, definitely it takes time. And here, therefore, the speaker advises somebody, don't worry, you will get used to the new system Noun phrase very soon. So here the speaker advises someone not to worry because he will get used to the or get habituated the new system very soon. After his wife's death, it took him a month to get used to living ing verb. Yes, alone. It means after the death of his wife, it took a month to get accustomed or habituated living alone, forgetting about the loss of his departed wife. Whenever we want to use used to with a bare infinitive, in that case we should be very much careful in understanding some of the important guidelines. How? Let's see. First point, used to is not used to express present habit. Remember, used to is a modal which is used to modify the main verb to indicate past habit only. It is not used for present habit. In this case, we use usually or habitually. Examples. Remember, Mr. Das always goes to office in his car. Always. This indicates a present habitual action of Mr. Das. Okay. Again, he usually gets up early but goes to bed late. This is the habit of a person who usually gets up early but goes to bed late. We cannot write he uses to get up early. Similarly, she habitually tells lies. We cannot write she uses to tell lies. It means he is a habitual liar. Through always, usually, habitually, the adverbs, we can express present habit of a person. Okay, in this case, we shouldn't use uses to. Remember? Yes. Now come to the second. Used to is not used for expression of recent past habit. Examples, she used to attend parties last year. This is unacceptable because it indicates a recently past habitual action. In such case, we use just simple past verb. But she attended the parties last year. Acceptable, it means right. Last week, I used to get up early in the morning. This is wrong. Last week, I got up, simple past, early in the morning. Another instruction, used to is not used to say how long something took or how often it happens. How? Let's see. He used to leave Delhi for 2 years. This is wrong, because for such type of short period of action we don't use to. In this case also we use simple past. He lived in Delhi for 2 years. This is acceptable and therefore right. Another, my uncle used to go to America 5 times when he was young. This is unacceptable, wrong. In this case, simple past is used. My uncle went to America 5 times when he was young. This is acceptable and right. First type of questions come in different competitive examinations. Therefore, all these very interesting ideas should be carefully remembered and utilized in practice. As I have already told you, practice makes man perfect. Hope you must have enjoyed this segment. Once again, go through the video from the beginning to the end. Try to understand it, then like it, not before that. Thank you for being with me. See you in the next segment with another very interesting modal auxiliary verb and its several uses. Till then, goodbye.